Hey, hi there. How many of you have heard already about Elementratic assorted talks? I know that many of you or none of you would have heard about it because this is my own experiment. That is number one. Let me ask you second question. How many of you have already heard about some experiment done on water which forms water crystal, or its crystal can be seen inside ice? Couple of you might have heard. Let me ask you about the another question. How many of you have heard about pseudoscientist and an author of the hidden magic in the water, hidden secret in the water? His name is Morasu Emito. How many of you heard about it? In fact, Morasu Emoto was a Japanese scientist and an author. He have produced various results on the experiment done on water. Okay. And you know what? 70% of water reside in our body. All of you might be knowing this. But what is the secret? I'm bringing you some secret over here. Okay. So listen till the end because this is going to amaze your mind. Because I am also bringing the 11 steps of manifestation technique, and this is so profound, so powerful. Its name is Elementratic Assorted Talk. The concept has been taken from the Emoto Morasu's experiment and one experiment and research done in 2006 in Scotland. I would be talking about it in detail, so just focus and listen till the end. And I bet that you would be amazed by this. And that's why I want you to take lot of notes. So grab your pen and paper to know about these secrets and take lot many notes. Okay, so let's begin. So if you are listening to me, I would be sharing the elements and the notes which I usually share in my mind map, and you will come to know about it. So these 11 manifestation technique, what I am going to talk, I will also be talking about this entire framework of elementratic assorted talk in four ways or four step. Okay, so you are ready with your pen and paper? If yes, then let me start talking about all the notes which I usually share in my mind map. And the first one is its history. What is its history and what is the origin? So for origin, I have talked about that this experiment is based on scientist Masaru Emoto's experiment, and it was declared in his book, as he was the Japanese author, and his book name was Hidden Message in Water. So this book was published during 2004. Masaru Emoto was a pseudoscientist as well, and from 1999 he published lot many proofs. Okay, lot many proofs. So he published the photograph of ice crystal, that using the power of words, the ice crystal changes its shape. How many of you heard about it earlier? I believe that you might have heard it already. And the another concept is that emotions also alter water molecules inside your body. Okay. And he also published proofs accompanying experiment on plant. Okay. So power of words was emphasized on plants, and all elements from your body gets activated and emphasize those elements on the plant. So that's the concept. For example, iron is inside your body and mineral is inside your body, and when applied with the power of words can also activate these elements outside body. Okay, so simple meaning that words have power to charge up any element outside your body, because those elements are already there inside your body. And that is why Emoso Morato's experiment was successful on water. Okay, another example. uh, Iron is there inside your body, and sometime you apply some magnet as well. um, Even on sand you will find that a small particle of iron gets attracted towards it. So magnet also attract this these elements like iron and all. And the basic concept I just now talked about, how this scientist Masaru Emoto has done various experiment and published in front of the world through his various novel and various books as well. But its relevance experiment was done in 2006 in Scotland under body dialogue. And this was the history of this elementric assorted talk. So this entire framework is designed by me, elementric assorted talks, which has the basis of Masaru Emoto's experiment and one experiment done in 2006 in Scotland. The second one, what is this elementric assorted concept is? Let's understand. Assorted talks are positive words spoken at higher vibrational frequency, which can charge up every element of your body, every element of your body. And you can also talk with this charged up emotional verbs and words, using your particular element of the body, and igniting that particular element of the body to activate that element outside your body. Thus it activates the other metals outside of the body. For example, if you have to activate some iron metal outside your body, you would be talking first with the inside iron element of your body. Okay, and the coherence establishes between outside metal and inside metal, and thus the next command happens. So I'm going to talk about these in 11 steps. That time I will elaborate these entire concept well. Okay, so this is the elementric assorted talk concept for now. Now let's understand its 11 steps. Using that you can manifest anything through this elementric assorted talk. Okay, the number one is that to apply this technique you have to first quieten your mind. Once you have quietened your mind, then you have to move towards step number 2. And step number 2 says that declare which element you are going to encourage inside your body. Talk to it. Okay, then move to third step. Third step says that declare which elements will get emphasized by this inner encouragement. First, first again, I am going to repeat. Quieten your mind, declare which element you are going to encourage inside your body, and now declare which element will get emphasized by this inner encouragement. Okay, it may happen that two different element will get activated. One will get activated, another will get emphasized too. Okay, so that's the third. Fourth says that now you have to send a command to the object or body or material inside your body or outside your body. Because of this activation process, the any element comes in the contact and comes in alignment and ready to receive the command, because the another elements are also energy, and you have understood the power of words applied on metal, applied on plant, and applied on water, and the similar science is being applied over here at step number 4. Step number 5. Now you have to affirm the positive words, the similar assorted talk for which I have just now spoken, that it has to be positive words with higher vibrational frequency. And those words, once you utter, you need to move to step number 6, which ensure why it is going to be completed or achieved. I'm just taking the theory part over here, and move to step number 7 and start uttering positive affirmation and repeated mode. Okay. And in step number 8, what do you have to do? You have to just thank to all the elements which got involved in assorted talks. Okay. So what exactly has happened when you quieten your mind and then you declare which element you are going to encourage inside your body, then you declare which element is going to get emphasized by this inner encouragement, and then you send the command to that object, body or material, you affirm the positive word, and you ensure why it is going to be completed or achieved. With that assurance, now you are going to repeat the positive affirmation, and once till step number 7 you are complete, you are going to thank to all the elements which are involved in these assorted talks. And step number 9, you are going to thank that you got already confirmation that it is going to happen, because you have applied assorted talks, you have encouraged the elements, you have activated the element outside body, inside body. Because of this, alignment has appeared, coherence has been established between two elements. And now at step number 10, you are going to request all any elements to reset on normal vibrational frequency, so that at step number 11 you are going to request to remain those elements charged up with assorted talks on the normal vibrational frequency. So these are step by step guidelines for elementratic assorted talk. So these are the theory concept I have just now spoken about it. You might have taken the notes. Now what I want you to start contemplating on every step what I have requested you to do. Take a note. And in case you have a confusion, I want you to send me email on connect@withkumargaurav.com. If you want to experience the magic of this elementratic assorted talk, I welcome you inside my community, inside my hub, where students learn a lot using this elementratic assorted talk, and they find the result in their life, and those are magical results. And at step number 4, I'm going to declare once again that where you can learn and experience about these assorted talk, you can experience these assorted talk inside my hub, inside my community. You can join me directly, or you can join me using, using various. So this is it. This is it. I just wanted to tell. So that's it. Any question, you can at uh, send me email at connect@withkumargaurav.com. So this is the concept I just wanted to share with you. This is called as elementratic assorted talk. I hope you have enjoyed. I hope you have taken notes. So once again, thank you so much for listening. And I believe that you have taken notes. And if you have not taken any notes, you have understood the science behind it. You have understood the concept of elementratic assorted talk. If you have liked it, just hit the bell icon. And if you have been waiting for more of such goodies, such free goodies, subscribe to this channel and hit the like button as well. Put your comment. What is the question you have? I know that you might have certain question. Okay, so put the comment. Let me know how did you find after listening to this. Thank you so much. Have a super awesome day. Bye bye. Take care.